So I just got the curl box. It's my first one. Ooh, that's nice. Curl box. Oops. Hey curl friend, show off your style. We want to see how you use this product in this month's box. Tag us with your curl box on Instagram, showing off your products or your hairstyle for your chance to win this month's prize. That's cute. Ooh, I've always wanted to try this. How pretty. Get information on all products. Oh, they have a hair wax as well. Mold and sculpted texture hair to create show-stopping style with stunning colors. That's cute. Hey. Alright, so the first product I got was the Oars Curls Unleashed Coconut and Avocado. Does it all smoothie styler, frizz controlling moisturizer for naturals. Oh, that's pretty cool. Frizz controlling moisturizer. Whoop, you had me there. Let's see what it does.
Mama.
Sorry for the slide.
Mama. Okay.
Moisturizes, defines, and elongates natural hair. This luscious, rich formula contains ultra-rich coconut and nutrient-rich avocado for controlled frizz and enhanced natural curls. Just scoop out a liberal amount and apply onto wet hair and distribute evenly. Use fingers to form coils, waves, twists, or other texture styles. And what is this with? Coconut and avocado. Okay. So that means that's gonna smell real good. Let's see. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. Sorry for my daughter. That's not bad. That's a good amount of texture. Oh my god, it smells okay. For 16 ounces, hell yeah, I'm about to use this. Because my hair is probably gonna use all of that. That's gonna be a good moisturizer. Smoothie styler. Okay. Formerly curl smoothies. So did I do a... The next one I have, it is Cocoa and Shea Butter Leave and Condition and Style Cream. Extra rich hair softener and moisturizer. Okay, my hair's gonna be moisturized for the winter. I like this packaging. Moisturizes, defines, and elongates natural hair. Cocoa and shea butter are whipped together with other wonderful ingredients to add moisture to dry hair. Give your curls the protection they need with this extra rich cream leave-in. Ooh, perfect for those needing an added boost of moisture. How did you know? Apply a liberal amount to damp hair, style as usual. When you use the system. That's pretty good. Leave-in, condition, and style cream. Cocoa and shea butter. Okay. I like this packaging. I don't know why I've been asleep. The next one, it is Curls Unleashed Coconut, and Shea Butter. Curly Coil HD Gel Souffle, Elongation, Frizz Control for Naturals. Okay, so they all frizz control. That's good. It's gonna be real good for the winter. This curl elongate formula contains moisturizing coconut and nutrient-rich shea butter to control frizz and enhance natural curls.
Hey, stop.
And then I got the Beeswax and Castor Oil Color Blast Temporary Color Wax Dragon Fruit. How pretty. I probably would not be using this, but I am planning to dye my hair soon, so I'll definitely have a video for that. I wonder how long it stays in your hair until you wash it out. Ooh, they even got, that's cute. Pink gloves. I'm just gonna keep this because it's pink. So excited for you to sample Curls Unleashed, made especially for naturals to moisturize, prep, and maintain stylish curls. Learn more about our entire collection, including our new Color Blast temporary hair makeup wax. Why is it called a makeup wax? That's cute. Okay, and then we got samples of Shea Butter and Honey Curly Coil Rich Style Cream, moisturizing curl definition, less shrinkage. Ooh, why didn't you give me a big box of this one? Dang, that's pretty lit. Okay. And then finally, for kinky curly hair, aloe vera and honey texture boosting curly gel. Okay. So this is a cream. This is a leave-in and a cream. This is the smoothie styler. And then this is, I think this is the, yeah. So that's pretty good for styling products. I'm pretty happy about that. It says crunch-free curl definition for naturals. And I kind of like the crunch, so let's see. Aloe vera and honey. It says scoop out. Okay. So I'm excited to try Curls Unleashed. I've been looking at them at the beauty supply. Just haven't bought it, but now I'm about to try it out. Not today, but maybe on another video. These are pretty good sizes for them. Let me see. So within this, gives more information about all the products. So it's saying that the leave-in condition and style cream, great for sleek buns and alpha puffs. Okay, I can use that for my smoothie styler. Okay, it can be paired with, oh, okay, so leaving it be paired with all of these products. I like how it has that. That's good, because I be wanting to know what it can be paired with. So that means I got basically all of them except for the moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Well, I'm excited. Thank you, Curlbox. I've been so excited to go ahead